Good morning, Chairperson and distinguished member of the board. My name is Kwek Kaping and I am presenting today in the role of the Senior Communication Manager. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present this proposal. I'm here today to seek the board approval for a communication training program designed to strengthen workplace communication practices across our international logistic operation during digital transformation. Although digital transformation has improved the way we operate, recent employee feedback indicate that our workplace communication practices has not developed at the same pace. As a result, inconsistent management instruction, ineffective meetings, and a lack of collaboration have begun to affect employee well-being, productivity, and organizational performance. Today, I will present a practical communication training proposal that addresses this challenge and supports our organization long-term operational excellence. Based on the recent employee feedback, 3 key communication challenges have been identified that require immediate attention. The first challenge is inconsistent instruction from management. Employees often receive conflicting information from different management level or communication channels, creating uncertainty about which instructions should be followed. The second challenge is ineffective meetings. Although meetings are held regularly, many end without clear decision or follow-up action, resulting in repeated clarification and operational delays. The third challenge is a lack of collaboration. Communication between managers, team leaders, and employees is not always well coordinated, reducing collaboration and slowing daily operation. Collectively, these communication challenges have begun to affect employee well-being, productivity, and overall organizational performance. This finding clearly demonstrates the need for a structured communication training program to strengthen workplace communication practice across the organization. To better understand why a communication training program is necessary, it is important to examine how these communication challenges affect our daily logistic operation. In a typical logistic service environment, customer requests pass through customer service team leaders and operations teams before delivery is completed. Throughout this process, management provides instructions and operational decisions that guide daily activity. When management instructions are inconsistent, different departments may receive different information about the same operational task. Ineffective meetings may leave employees without clear responsibility and follow-up actions, while a lack of collaboration further slows communication between teams. As a result, employees spend more time clarifying information and coordinating with different departments instead of completing operational tasks efficiently. This communication breakdown creates unnecessary delays, reduce productivity, and ultimately affect organizational performance. Therefore, a structured communication training program is essential to strengthen communication practice across all operational levels. Having understood how communication challenges affect our daily logistic operation, I would now like to introduce the proposed communication training program. The purpose of this program is to strengthen workplace communication practice by improving communication consistency, encouraging effective collaboration, and supporting communication during digital transformation. The program will involve managers, team leaders, and employees across all logistic operations, ensuring that communication improvements are implemented consistently throughout the organization. Through this program, we aim to enhance employee well-being, improve productivity, and strengthen organizational performance, ultimately supporting long-term operational excellence. Having introduced the program purpose and expected outcome, I will now explain how the training is designed to address the identified communication challenge. The program targets 3 key groups within the organization. Managers will strengthen leadership communication by delivering clear and consistent instruction. Teams leader will improve meeting coordination and cross-department communication, while employees will develop practical workplace communication skills. To address the identified challenges, the program consists of 4 learning modules: leadership, communication, meeting effectiveness, collaborative communication, and digital communication practice. The training will be delivered through a hybrid approach that combines face-to-face workshops, virtual learning sections, role-play activity, and group discussion to encourage active participation and practical learning. Having explained the training framework, I will now present the program logistic and estimated budget. The proposed training program will be conducted over 2 days at the organization corporate training center and will involve manager, team leader, and employees from different logistic functions. Training resources include participant manuals, digital learning material, practical case study, role-play activities, and post-training feedback assessment to support effective learning. The estimated budget for this program is 20,000, covering training material, facilitation, venue arrangement, and digital learning resource. This investment is expected to strengthen communication practice across the organization while contributing to long-term improvement in operational efficiency and organizational performance. Having presented the training design and required resource, I will now explain how the program will be implemented across the organization. The program will be implemented through 5 structured phases to ensure an effective and sustainable rollout. The first phase focuses on planning, including management approval and participant selection. This followed by the preparation phase, where training material are finalized and the training schedule is confirmed. The third phase involves delivering the 2-day communication training program. This is followed by an evaluation phase to gather participant feedback and assess communication improvement. Finally, continuous improvement activity, including follow-up coaching and regular communication review, will reinforce the learning outcome and support long-term organizational development. Having outlined the implementation plan, I will now present the expected organizational impact of the proposed communication training program. The program is expected to improve employee well-being by reducing workplace stress, promoting clear communication, and increasing job satisfaction. It will also strengthen employee engagement through better collaboration, active participation, and more effective teamwork across different logistic functions. From an organizational perspective, improved communication will enhance productivity by reducing communication error, supporting faster decision-making, and improving operational efficiency. Ultimately, this improvement will support the organization's digital transformation strategy, strengthen service quality, and contribute to long-term organizational success. The program success will be measured through employee satisfaction, meeting effectiveness, cross-functional collaboration, and communication consistency. Having presented the proposed communication training program, I would now like to conclude my presentation. This proposal has demonstrated how a structured communication training program can effectively address the organization communication challenges through practical learning, a well-planned implementation strategy, and continuous improvement. By strengthening communication among managers, team leaders, and employees, the program is expected to improve employee well-being, enhance collaboration, increase productivity, and support the organization's digital transformation objective. Based on these anticipated benefits, I respectfully recommend that the board approve the proposed communication training program for organization-wide implementation. Thank you for your time and consideration. I welcome any question or feedback from the board.